Happy Friday, y'all. I'm on my way back to Bath and Body Works. I have what? Let me see. I don't have any gift card. This is a scratcher. I have 3 more of these coupons. I actually have 4 more, but I gave my daughter one, which I got a feeling she ain't gonna use. Shouldn't have gave her nothing. But yeah, I want to use these last 3 coupons, and I still have that 10 off of 40 that the young lady gave me at the store. So, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to save that for probably like the middle, maybe like the second week. Maybe the second week of January is probably when I'm going to use that. I'm going to just wait till further on into the sale. Just to see if any more good items come up. Even though I'm only looking for candles. But you never know. So, I'm going to head over to the mall. A different one. Yeah, I'm getting ready to head over there just to see what I can find. I think I'm gonna get, like I said, candles, and I think for my free item I might get some single wick candles. And I know I said that yesterday, but I didn't actually get the single candles. I ended up getting some lotion. If I can find that Coco Shea stuff, I think I'm gonna get some more of that, which I have not been seeing that in any of the stores that I went into. That were completely gone. So if I can find some of that stuff, I think I'm gonna grab some of that. If not, I might do that that rose meringue lotion. I might grab one of those. And then after that, for the other 2 free items, I actually don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna get. That's the reason why I said I might just get some single wick candles and just be done with it. I placed an order on, I'm not sure what's going on with Bath and Body Works online stuff, because I placed the order like the beginning of this month. I got 2 of the items, but I still haven't got the 3rd candle, which is that cactus blossom or whatever. I still haven't received that candle yet, and I'm not sure what's going on. And then this whole what's the name of those candles? Let me see. But they canceled my order. I was too mad. Oh my goodness, when they canceled my order. I was upset because I have really been trying to get these candles, and every time I try to get the candles, they're sold out. Every time. Oh yeah, I did a picture of it. Every time. I've been trying to get that balsam birch candle. It was like 3 in the collection. Balsam birch, the tree farm, something snow, frosted snow or something like that. I was trying to get all of those candles because those are the type of candles that I like. But yeah, like I said, I don't know what's going on with Bath and Body Works online stuff. And then yesterday or the day before, they sent me a letter saying your items basically was canceled. As you can see that, they canceled my order, and it was the balsam birch, and it was the cereal marshmallow bar. And the crazy part about it, I could have got that cereal marshmallow bar candle on Candle Day, but I changed my mind because y'all know I really don't care for food scented candles. So that's the reason why I did not get that candle. But I just kind of want to see what's the hype about that candle. Every video that I look at, everybody is talking about this candle and that donut candle, which I got the donut candle. It actually do smell pretty good. And I want to see what's up with the strawberry pound cake candle. And I know that some stores, when it's supposed to be coming out for the spring candles, so hopefully they'll have another sale. Ugh! I've been talking all this time with lipstick on my teeth. Wow. Sorry, y'all. Sorry.
But, come on now. It's natural. You can't tell me that you ain't never had lipstick on your teeth and you didn't know. So, sorry, I wiped it off. let's continue.
So yeah, I wanted to see what was up with those candles. I know I'm not gonna find none of those candles, so let's just get this one going. I've been talking for a while now. Let's get this one going, because as you see, it is a late start. But I tell you, this Starbucks is so crowded. I wanted to get Starbucks, but they don't have what I want, so I'm kind of pissed. So I'm just finna head to the mall. I'm finna head to the mall, yeah. I'm playing, because I most definitely just stopped and I waited. I'm going this way. Yeah, they don't have. How you not have any ice brew? That's crazy, but okay. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Make sure you watch my entire video, because it helps my channel. Also, I want to say welcome to my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking with me for a long time? I appreciate y'all constantly or continuing to come back and check out my videos. You know, I appreciate that. Just made it to the mall. I actually stopped at Starbucks, and it was out of the stuff I wanted. Y'all seen in the last clip, but we're gonna see exactly what they have here. I don't plan on being in here that long, but hopefully they have some good stuff, some stuff I don't already have. Should I get this one? That's sold out online. I'm back in the car. Oh my goodness. That store had some items, but all the stuff that they had in the store I already got, or I have most of it, or it's stuff that I really didn't want. But one thing they did have, they only had this last one, and I got this item free. This is the Shea Moisture body lotion. Got one of those for my free item. They had those smoke candles. Well, they had the candles with the little pretty containers. The ones that was going for $26.50, I believe. Yeah, $26.50. So I grabbed 2 of these. And this is the smoked vanilla. It smells very, very smoky. Very smoky. And y'all know I'm really not a huge fan of vanilla. But, I said I wanted to try it. Someone said that this candle is really, really good. And cold, it smells really smoky. But once you burn it, it don't smell as smoky. So, I decided to get it. If I don't like it, I can always return it. And I bought 2. Now y'all know I said I wasn't gonna get no more. Oh no, this is the Island Margarita. I started to get this one on my last video, but I decided not to. So I got it today because actually I forgot that I had one more coupon that I needed to use today, and it was the 20% off an item, plus you get a free body care item up to $13.50. So I had to use that one, and that's when I just did these 2. Got this free, bought this for $10.50. This smells like it's sweet, and this one actually smells like sweet tarts. You know that chewy candy, the candy that come in the roll? I don't even know if they still make that candy or not. But this smells exactly like those sweet tart candies. This is actually really nice. Mango. Love me some mango. So yeah, I got that one. And like I said, I got 2 of the smoked vanilla. And then again, they had this sugar blueberry. I went on and got it. Even though, yeah, I already know. But I went on and got this one. This is a nice candle. This isn't like that other one I got. The Mary Cookie. The Mary Cookie is super, super, super sweet. It smells like you're baking cookies. Like you're baking tons and tons and tons of cookies. That one has a really good throw. This one has that sweet vanilla cookie smell as well, but it's not as strong as that Mary Cookie. That Mary Cookie one is very, very strong. Yeah, but this is cool. This is alright. And then because I was standing in line, that's when I realized I had the extra coupon. I just decided to get one of these free. And this is the white gardenia. I love gardenias. And the crazy part about it, I don't own any gardenia candles. I don't know why. I'm a huge fan of gardenia. White flowers. I absolutely love them. So, I'm hoping this is pretty good. I've never tried it. Oh, and another thing, I was shocked to see that they had the mini candles. I was shocked to see that they had some of those single wick candles for $6. I wasn't expecting that because I remember seeing them 2 for $20, I think. Yes, this was regular price because I got it free, so it rung up for the $14.50, which I didn't care because it was a free item. But these are on sale 2 for $20, I believe. And then my other free items, as I said, I got this, and I got some more of that body butter. And it seems like this was the only one that they had in the store. But I don't know. I don't know if that... I think I got 2 of them. Yeah, I got 2. And it's stuck in here. Wow. Really? Yes. I decided to get 2 of them because to me this seems like the better deal. And I believe these are going up to $18.50 because that's how much they cost online, $18.50. But the tag says $16.50. So I figured with the free item, I got a candle and this. I figured these were the better buys in my opinion. So yeah, I got 2 of these. So yeah, that's all I really got. Also, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I might be getting ready to go home. Also, y'all be safe, and then I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.